Hello friends, welcome back to the tutorial of the Node.js. Today we are going to learn how to debug a Node.js application using the VS Code. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So here you can see that you have to go with this one, with the debugger, this run and debug. Run and debug, we have to click on it. Okay, this is basic the code. No, not that one. I need to add this code. Okay, simple one. Right, now go to the run and debug. Okay, node.js application. So here you can see what they have mentioned. Address is already in use. Okay, so let's close that address, which is this one. Closing this. Now we will run and debug. Now here you can see that IAPI is listening on this port, right? So here you can see, and here you can see that the line by line debugging is step over is there. Okay, so everything comes over here. Let's go to the browser and hit this one. Okay, so now here you can see that the what is the next step, that is console hello world. If I just go, and here you can see that still loading, and it go to the debugger, this one. Move forward to the next step. It will go with the hello world 222. So it come to this one, and still it's not printing because you have to go with the step over again. Now hello world 2. Now the response, now it will go there because I'm doing step by step. Okay, step, then it will send the hello world over there, right? And now next, end. Okay, everything is debug. Here you can see each and every variable you will get also over here. Okay, let me scroll this. Where is our server? This is the file, right? So each and everything you can just console.log also, which information you want. Console.log. And here you can check the app events also. App is not defined, I think. Response also is there. Let me just reload. Okay, so here we go with this one, so it will come over here, right? So let's go with the next one. If I go with console.log, response they have. So here you can see that the response object is also there, so you can check each and everything, right? So here you can see the response section, right? What are the events, what they are sending, everything you will get it. Okay, so this is how you can debug a node.js application with the help of the VS code. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.